A surprising AI moment that I want to share with you. A missed call turns into a win.
Yes, I have a 2016 Prius, which I brought in for a 40,000 mile service. I am continuing to get maintenance required soon reminders on my dashboard. I would like to know how I can reset that reminder. Please call me back, to leave a message if I am unable to pick up. Thank you. Again, it's a 2016 Toyota Prius. I've had a 40,000 mile service done, and I continue to receive a maintenance required soon message on my dashboard. I want to reset that. I know it's a combination of different buttons to press. I don't know what the combination is. Thank you.
I understand this because I drive a Toyota Sienna hybrid. And I get it because I just had my car in maintenance and I was receiving those annoying constant push reminders through the dashboard. Cars due for maintenance, cars due for maintenance. And I got it done. And they were fortunately able to always reset it every time I go in there. The remarkable thing about this is my conversational AI for my company, which I use and also provide for all my clients, was able to provide the proper procedure of how to reset her dashboard. This is Clearnet marketing. This is not Toyota. My conversational AI provided precise procedure for her to reset her dashboard. What? Get out. I mean, step by step, it sent her a text message. First of all, it responds through the protocols that I set up for it to, and then it provided the procedures of how to reset her dashboard, her 2016 Toyota Prius dashboard with 40,000 miles. Get out. She then responded, "Thank you very much. I got it figured out. Thanks for getting back to me. Greatly appreciate your help and service." Not even knowing that she didn't call Toyota. That's wonderful. I love helping people out, as well as I love helping out business. She didn't even realize that she was calling the wrong number. Imagine your business being able to respond with the same professionalism and accuracy 24/7, even if you miss a call. No missed opportunities, just seamless customer service. I love it. So that was a missed call response plus conversational AI. That equals engagement and more business. Want to see how this can work for you? Try our missed call response for 7 days and discover how AI can help you save business that you didn't even know you were losing. Or drop the words "book now" in the comments.